Well, we're going to talk about control charts, and I'm going to show you the one that you see on your PowerPoints, and I'm also going to show you a way that will help you with your homework problem. This one has where we're taking, if you read the problem, we want to create a control chart of the mean slot depth, and so I'm going to show you how to do this. In the PowerPoints, this is embedded as an Excel file, so I'm going to left click on it twice, and then I'm going to do Control All, and then Control C, or you could right click on your mouse and hit copy. And now I'm going to open up Minitab. Now once I open up Minitab, I'm going to make sure that I enable the commands just in case I need them. But most importantly, I want to take that and I want to put the data in. So I'm going to put the data in here. I'm going to do Control Paste, and there's going to be a little problem that we're going to see. It's going to say, and what happened is when I had that on the PowerPoint, where it had that extra column, it's messing Minitab up. So what we do there is we're going to copy these and paste them, and then we can get rid of this. And now we have it looking pretty good, looking like we need it. So how you get your control chart is you go up to Statistics, and you want to do Control Charts. The next thing we want to do is we want our variables in subgroups, because we have those three that we want to take the average for. So we go down to, we want the average, and in here all the observations they're not in one column. The subgroups are in a row of each of the columns, in one row of the columns. So we do that. Now we have to say where are they coming from. They're coming from that row, that column. Select it. That one, and that one. Now we're not done yet. If we want to make this look nice, we go into Scale, and we want to do a timestamp so that on the bottom we'll see the times, the 7 o'clock and 7:30. So we do that, and we say, where's that coming from? It's coming from C1, so that it's stamped very nicely. Hit OK. And now we're ready to graph this. And there we have that. And we can give it a better title. We could say it's, the mean slot length. Okay, and hit OK. So we have nice titles, and now we see our control chart. What this is right there is that's X bar plus 2 times the sample standard deviation, and this is X bar minus 2 times the sample standard deviation. That's where these numbers are coming from, and this is how you would do this using Minitabs for control charts. Now for your project, let's just say that we didn't have these right here and we had something like this. So I'm going to create one where I actually make the average. And so I can go in here and I can say let C5, now not that you'd have to do this because you'd only have one column. Let C5 equal C2 plus C3 plus C4 divided by 3. So let's just say that they gave you the average time slot. What you can do here is, if you just have that, you would go into Stats, you do a control chart, but this time it's just for an individual. You only have one. And so you go down into the individual, and you'd say, okay, my variable is average. And again, you'd want to go into the scale, so you have your stamp, which your timestamp is that time. Hit OK, and then click OK, and you'd have a nice control chart once again. So I hope this helps, and that will get you through the assignment.